today's episode of Your Cruise Questions Answered, where we answer your cruise questions and debunk cruise myths. In association with our Facebook page P&O, Iona and Avia, stupid questions are not stupid. Let's begin. In today's episode we will talk about using your mobile phone at sea. A basic summary of how the system works. The ship does have the capability to allow for your mobile phone to connect to a cellular network. Here is how this system works. While in port, the crew will switch the onboard cellular network off. This allows you to use the shore networks. When the ship moves off, the crew switch the network back on. At sea, your mobile phone can connect to the onboard cellular network. At the time of making the video, it is provided by Telenor. The ship then routes your call via satellite to land. The ship's cellular network does not allow for data. The cellular network is used for calls only. Be minded that the calls are often more expensive. If you want data on your device, this is where and why you should purchase the ship's onboard Wi-Fi package. Most calls to and from the ship cost around £1.50 per minute. Please check with your cellular provider first. Also, remembering that the UK is no longer part of the EU, the UK mobile networks often charge a daily fee for being outside the UK. This does include being connected to the Telenor network. If you want to use WhatsApp, this is classed as data use and would require you to purchase the ship's Wi-Fi package. Well, there you have it. If you are in any doubt about anything you've seen on this video, contact P&O Cruises directly, where they will be able to assist you further. The contact details are on screen now. If you found this short video helpful, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel and joining our Facebook group. Details are in the description below. Have a great day and an amazing cruise.